Garfield the orange catsicle, also known as Biggie G, was wandering on the streets when rescued by Christy. She befriended him and took him home to her family. But too many cats made it difficult, so G was given to me. Biggie G lives here with cat mates, including look-alike mini Gs, who frolic with toys and tunnels as they do whatever they please. Now Garfield has health issues, good patient at the vet is he. Our cancer cat is doing well, please keep a good thought for G.